Hello, my chickens. In this video, you will learn how to graph a logarithm function. My name is Kathy Severson. I'm the inventor of the Severson method, a scientifically proven way to learn anything fast, especially how to graph a logarithm function. This video is predominantly for my upper ISEE chickens, and if you happen to not know what ISEE is and maybe you're taking the ACT or the SAT and you would like to know how to graph a logarithm, welcome in. But predominantly this is for my upper ICs. And if you're taking the upper IC, you may not even be familiar with the principle of a logarithm, but don't be scared. You're tested on a very, very small fraction of this. So you need to know how to evaluate the simplest logarithm and you need to know how to graph it. So this is what it looks like. That's the formula. I don't want you to be afraid of f of x. F of x is just y. Whenever we say f of x, just mentally replace that with y, and that would be the y axis on the coordinate plane. And this is your function. X, you're going to be plugging in different values for x, and then you're going to be getting some kind of a y. So I don't want you to be scared because it says function. It's a graph, okay? So when you're thinking about a logarithm graph, I want you to imagine something that you are hopefully familiar with, which is a boomerang. I want you to envision a boomerang and maybe call it a logarithm, L-O-G, log. It's a log boomerang. And we're going to locate your boomerang on your coordinate plane. So let me try to draw this for you guys on a coordinate plane. So I'll direct this down here. Hope that you can see. I'll move my drink and my notes. So this is your coordinate plane. This is your y, and this is your x. And I know this is a little bit upside down for you all. And then your logarithm is going to be going just like this. So this is your boomerang. Hope this makes sense. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like on here. Now I'm going to go into this platform that many of you may be familiar with. It's called Desmos. And this is what this graph looks like on Desmos. And I also am going to show you what a negative logarithm is going to look like. So this is a negative log. Do you see how it flipped? I'm going to do this again. This is positive log. And this is your negative log. So what you're essentially doing is you're flipping it over the x-axis. So let me try to draw. So this is your positive logarithm, and your negative logarithm is going to look like this. It's going to be approaching, but it will never reach. So this will be f of x is equal to negative log x, and this one is going to be f of x is equal to positive log x. I hope this video helped you guys. You learned how to graph logarithm functions, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about some other function.